Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon. Amazon is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle, Washington. It focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. In order to sign up for Amazon, go and click open a web browser first. In the URL box, type in www.amazon.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Once you reach to the official website, go and click on this Hello Sign In Account and List option, and from the expanded menu, click on Start Here link right next to New Customer. Start by entering your name in the first text field that you see. Now, move on to the next field and type in an email that you would like to use for your account. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to. Now, type in a password that you'd like to use for your account. Make sure it is at least 6 characters and longer. To double check your password, click on this eye icon at the right corner and reveal your password before moving on. Now, re-enter the password that you just created and finally click on Create Your Amazon account. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Amazon. That is how it is done. It's pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.